It's okay. Okay, okay.
बसंत
कुछ
जी
हो
आप
गई होगी
डिसअपियर
problem.
हो गई, लाइट चली गई.
It's okay.
Okay, should I share again?
No, no, no,
Article
no.
2.
It's okay. Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Okay. So remember yesterday I am telling you about the sunnah of eating. Before sunnah of eating, we recite pray before eating meal. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. In the name of Allah and upon the blessing of Allah. This is the prayer which we recite before eating. And some sunnahs which we discussed yesterday, that are, first of all, we say Bismillah.
Shayan
Remember,
Heather, listen carefully.
first of all, start with Bismillah and eat with your right hand. Right hand, which we have the hand which right side and using for writing, using for holding things and food as well. So we can eat with our right hand. Okay. Some more sunnah which we discuss with you, that is if some food drops. जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो हमारे खाने की कुछ ड्रॉप्स जो होते हैं वो टेबल या दस्तरखान पे गिर जाते हैं. What we do, pick up, उसको उठाएंगे, clean it, उसको साफ करेंगे, and eat it, उसको खा लेंगे. What we do, if some food drops, pick up, clean it, and eat it. Again, I repeat, the third sunnah of eating is, if some food drops, pick up, clean it, and eat it. क्या करना है हमें? अगर खाना खाते वक्त कुछ भी खाने का कोई भी ड्रॉप या आपकी बाइट टेबल पे या आपके कपड़ों पे या फ्लोर पे गिर जाती है तो हमें उसको उठाना है, साफ करना है. साफ इसलिए करना है कि जो भी जगह है वो गंदी भी हो सकती है. ठीक है. सो इट्स मस्ट बी क्लीन. उसको साफ करेंगे और फिर उसको थ्रो नहीं कर देंगे, डस्टबिन में फेंक नहीं देंगे उसको हम क्या करेंगे, खा लेंगे. Remember, I tell you, sunnah is that thing which our beloved prophet tell to us, you have to do it. सुन्ना क्या है? सुन्ना वो चीजें हैं जो हमारे प्यारे प्रॉफिट ने हमें बताई हैं और हमें वो करनी ही है. अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो वो अच्छी बात नहीं होगी. और हम सब तो अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स हैं और अच्छे मुस्लिम्स हैं, तो हमें तो वो चीजें फॉलो करना है. ओके, ठीक है. आज की जो सुन्ना हमने डिस्कस की है वो सुन्ना is picking the food from the floor, from the dastakhan or from the table and eat it with the clean. Now, do you all have this book? Bring it quick, then we can start next thing. Bring it. You all have this book?
Pre-primary book. Everyone bring your pre-primary book.
Yes, Abrish has, Shayan has, very nice. Ahmad किधर चले गए? Ahmad, you also have.
Abbas,
Abbas,
Ahmed,
bring your book. Ali Ghazi,
Ali
where are
Ghazi.
you?
Very nice, all of you. Very good. Good job. Abbas, where is your book? All are very responsible. Good job, all of you. Very nice.
Okay. Now just hold the book. I will tell when you open. Okay. I share one thing first. Okay. Zainab also join us. Yes. Did you see the screen? Did you see the screen? Show your thumbs up. Then I realize you watch the screen. Yes, what is this? Show your thumbs up. Very nice, Abrish. Good job. Bhaiya helps to Abrish. Very nice. Yes, this is flag of our country. This is flag of our country. What is this? Flag of Pakistan. What is this? Flag of Pakistan.
No miss, your screen is not sharing. आपकी वो जो पूरा फाइल है वो शेयरिंग हो रही है.
Okay, fine. Just wait. I will open. Just wait. Wait, I will share again. Then it will be appear. Now you are able to see the screen.
Yes.
What is this? This is flag of our country. This is flag of our country. Flag of Pakistan. Flag of Pakistan. What is this? Flag
Flag of
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Look at the color. This portion has the small area of white color. And we have the big area of green color. We have a big area of green color on the flag. And there is a crescent called to the line of moon. Line of moon को कहते हैं crescent. There is a crescent and shiny star on our flag. Shiny star on our flag. This is the symbol of the flag. Crescent and star is the symbol of our flag. This is our country flag. We identify as Pakistani when we show this flag color. So which color we has in the flag? White and green.
Green.
White and green. What is the color of flag?
White and green.
Green. White and green.
And green.
Now you can open the book. I will tell the page number. You can open the page number 1111. This one. Open page number 1111. Page number written over there in the downside of the page. Yes, this one. It's all about our country. It's all about our country. You can see the top picture. There is a flag on this book. Zainab Bete, bring the pre-primary book. You have this book. Look, this one, you have it. So bring it and open page number 1111. Quickly, Abbas, where you goes? I'm not watching you. Yes. Find out 1111 in the downside. Thank you, Abbas. And look at the picture of flag. Flag of Pakistan. Flag of Pakistan. Did you see? Now show your thumbs up, then teacher realize.
Very nice, Shayan. Very nice, Shayan.
Abrish.
Anabia, very good.
Anabia. Very nice. Anabia have the another flag. Very good. Ali Ghazi,
Wow.
where is your video? Ahmed, show your flag. You all are having flag on this page. Very nice.
You have the book?
Abbas, where is your book, bete? You already have this book. You all are.
Put the finger on the flag.
This is flag of Pakistan. What is this? Flag of Pakistan. What is this?
Shayan Heather, this is not a page. You open the wrong page. Shayan Heather.
You are,
Yes. Good. Very good.
yes, this one. Very nice. Zainab, you don't have the book? Unmute yourself. पहले तो जल्दी से unmute करें अपने आप को. Yes, you are not having book बेटे? आपके पास book नहीं है? Zainab, you don't have this book? आपके पास ये वाली book नहीं है?
नहीं.
It's okay. I will share the page to you. Okay? मैं आपको ये वाला पेपर शेयर कर दूंगी, फिर आप उसमें देखिएगा. Fine? Don't worry about it. Now, today we are learning about flag of Pakistan. The color of the flag is white and green. Again, I am sharing the picture of flag. You can see the color of the flag is white and green, and it has crescent and star. इसमें क्या बना हुआ है हमारे फ्लैग में? Crescent and star. Crescent and star. This is the identification of our flag. Crescent and star is the identification of our flag. And our flag has two colors, white and green. How many colors our flag has? Two. How many colors our flag has? Two. White and green. Fine. Now come to the next thing. You can see what is this. Did you see the screen? Show your thumbs up.
Yes.
Then teacher realize कि आपको नजर आ रहा है. Very good. Thank you. Now you can see on your book. Open the page number 1313. Look, on your book, it's also appear 1313. The number 13 is written in the downside of the page. You can find out. Very nice, Shayan. You find it. Where is Anabia? Anabia, मेरे ख्याल में फिर इनकी लाइट चली गई है. इनकी भी बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट डिस्टर्ब करती है नाबिया को.
आप छोड़ दे, मैं शेयर करती हूँ मिसेरम. आप शेयरिंग का ऑप्शन दे दे मुझे.
ऑप्शन नहीं दिया हुआ है. नहीं, शेयर तो हुआ है. इसको मैं बड़ा करना चाह रही थी, वो बड़ा नहीं हो रहा है.
मैं I do it.
Okay, I will give the command first. ताकि क्लियर इनको नजर आ सके ना. आ गई है नाबिया. Anabia has a star. Very nice, Anabia. So everyone,
now I'm just sharing.
Open this page. Now what appear on it? This is map of Pakistan.
You see the clear?
Just a minute. Yes, now it's in the big in size. Yes. Look at the screen, everyone. This is map of Pakistan. Yes. On the page number 13 in your book, it's also appear. This is map of Pakistan. This is map of Pakistan. What is this? Map of Pakistan. Map of Pakistan. What is map? First of all, I would like to tell you what is map. Map is the boundary line of any country. किसी भी country की boundary line जो होती है, that is called map. अब जैसे आपका घर है और आपके बराबर में जो भी रहता है, आपका फ्रेंड है या जो भी, उसकी भी एक घर है, लेकिन उनका डोर अलग है और आपका डोर अलग है ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है आपके ही डोर से वो आप अपने घर में जाते हैं, नहीं है ना. इसी तरह आपका एक स्कूल है और किसी और का भी एक स्कूल है. क्या वो अपने स्कूल में आपके स्कूल से जाते हैं? नो, वो अपने स्कूल में अपने स्कूल के डोर से जाते हैं. तो सबका अलग अलग मैप होता है, एरिया होता है. इसी तरह हमारी कंट्री का इट्स आवर कंट्री एरिया. लुक, ये जो आपको स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है, इट्स कॉल्ड अ मैप. इट्स आवर कंट्री एरिया. आपकी बुक में भी अपेयर है. इट्स ऑल्सो अपेयर इन योर बुक. यू कैन सी दिस एरिया ऑफ आवर कंट्री. आवर कंट्री साइज इज दिस. ये हमारी कंट्री का साइज है, इतनी बड़ी है हमारी कंट्री. इट्स कॉल्ड मैप ऑफ पाकिस्तान. मैप ऑफ पाकिस्तान.
Map of Pakistan.
Repeat
This is
it.
a map
I
of
am watching you.
Pakistan.
Everyone repeat it. I am watching you. Very nice. Ahmed, I am watching you. Good job. Yes. Map of Pakistan.
Map of Pakistan.
In the map, you can see some words are written over there. ना? आपको नजर आ रहा है ना पिक्चर में? अब्रिश, look at the camera. आपको नजर आ रहा है कि कुछ लिखा हुआ है इसमें? Did you see? These are the provinces of Pakistan. ये हमारी कंट्री के प्रोविंसेस हैं. हमारी कंट्री में 5 प्रोविंसेस हैं. कितने हैं? 5. Show your 5 fingers. We have 5 provinces. We have 5 provinces. Very nice. How many provinces we have? We have
We
5.
have
There are